guess this is goodbye, Doc. Now you've got a lot of cleaning up to do out there.
We'll manage somehow. I just hope you boys stay out of trouble. Those Protoss are bound to be upset.
Well, me and the Protoss go way back. I've helped them out a few times. Figure they might cut me some slack.
You know, you could always stay here. Settle down, make a new start.
Guys like me don't get second chances, darling. We just gotta finish what we begun.
You're a good man, Jim Raynor.
I ain't that good.
Lots of folks ready to fight. For the right price.
Damn shame Doc Hanson stayed behind. She was just about to fall for my roguish charms, too. You ain't gonna tell me you were just a little bit tempted to stay with her, are you?
I've been down that road before, Tychus. I took my shot at a normal life a long time ago. Ain't no going back now.
Couple of badasses like us ain't cut out for the quiet life anyway. Yes, sir. Destiny's got us pegged for something way bigger.
Welcome back. We've got good and bad news tonight from our UNN headquarters on Core Hall. The influx of refugees has dropped as various fringe worlders have found new planets on which to settle. For the bad news, let's go to Kate Lockwell. Kate?
What? Is the feed open? Hi, yes, hi Donnie. Well, many of the refugees are starting new colonies, and they've declared themselves independent of the Dominion.
Branding themselves as rebels.
Well, Donnie, they mostly seem like regular folks who are scared about the current crisis, and angry that the Dominion didn't do more to save them. Some of them have praised Jim
You heard it here first. Ungrateful rebels digging in their heels across the fringe worlds. For UNN, I'm Donnie Vermillion.
Can he warn me when he's gonna do that?
Funny how people take it personal when you abandon them to the Zerg.
Man, did you see the size of that Protoss ship? Don't matter how often I see them, those guys always come out with something that makes your jaw drop. Know what I'm saying?
I'd be more impressed if they were using all that power against the Zerg. It's stupid to be killing Protoss when we should be teaming up with them against Kerrigan.
Listen, they deserved it, and you did the right thing. Friends don't let friends massacre civilians, Jim. I'm proud of you for standing up to them.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal security. If we intercept the trains and liberate their contents before they can be shipped off-world, we could make a serious profit.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station. Our informants say the Dominion's found something unusually valuable, and they're transporting it to the processing station today. It's on one of these trains, but unfortunately they're all scan shielded, so we can't tell which one. We'll have to hit as many as we can and hope we get lucky.
Hope we get lucky? That ain't the usual Matt Horner plan.
You got a better one, sir. I'm all ears.
It's all good, Matt. You sold me. Well, let's go rob ourselves some trains. Old Tychus is gonna love this one.
Go ahead. SCV ready.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
At the ready. Victory is ours.
SCV ready.
Excellent. How devious.
SCV ready.
Of course. I like it. On the move. What? What's on your mind?
SCV ready.
My pleasure.
Add-on complete.
What's the I'm waiting.
SCV ready.
Of course.
Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. Yes, sir! Yeah, whatever. SCV ready. Will do. Move it.
Go on. Excellent.
SCV ready.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
What's the plan? My pleasure. On the move.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
Ah! You scared me! Yep. Well, butter my biscuit. Big job, huh?
At the ready. On the move. My pleasure. Victory is ours. Excellent. On the move.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Gangway, coming through.
Victory is ours. How devious. What's on your mind? I like it. My pleasure. I like it. I'm waiting. Go on.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
On the move. My pleasure. What's the plan?
Looks like we found all the Confederate Diamondbacks, sir. This should really help out against the trains.
I like it.
Big job, huh? What's going on? Yeah, whatever.
At the ready. How devious. Excellent. Victory is ours. On the move. My pleasure. Go on. Of course.
In the rear with the gear.
I'm waiting. I like it. Of course. My pleasure.
SCV ready.
How devious. On the move.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready.
What needs killing? At the ready.
SCV ready.
Upgrade complete.
What's the plan? Victory is ours. Excellent. How devious.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
On the move. What needs killing? Victory is ours. Go on. Huh? Of course. What's on your mind? My pleasure. I like it. My pleasure. How devious. What needs killing? On the move.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
Big job, huh?
Go on. What's on your mind? At the ready. What needs killing? How devious.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
What's going on? Yeah, whatever.
What needs killing?
The doctor is in.
What's on your mind?
Go, go, go!
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
This better be good.
I like it. Excellent. Of course. At the ready. What? What needs killing? My pleasure.
Armed and ready. Ah! You scared me! Yeah.
Go on. On the move. Excellent. Of course.
Additional supply depots required. Additional supply depots required. Upgrade complete.
Want a piece of me, boy? Who wants some? Yep. Ah! You scared me! In the rear with the gear.
What's on your mind? I like it.
By the numbers, boys.
What needs killing?
Aye, aye, sir. That's fine. You got it. By the numbers, boys.
At the...
Vespine Geyser exhausts. The train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
What needs killing? I'm waiting. What's on your mind? What's the plan? What needs killing? On the move. At the ready. Go on. I like it. Victory is ours.
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders.
Roger that.
I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
Go, go, go! Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
My pleasure. Of course. At the ready. What's on your mind?
Upgrade complete.
I'm waiting.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
Excellent. What needs killing? Victory is ours. How devious. What? Huh?
Bad news? Woo-hoo! Overtime! Yeah!
Go on. What's on your mind?
want a piece of me, boy? Who wants some? Go, go, go! Go ahead. Uh-huh.
What needs killing? On the move.
Armed and ready. In the rear with the gear. It's your dime.
At the ready.
Gangway, coming through.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
I like it. What's on your mind? On the move. What needs killing?
Ah! You scared me! We hear you. Sure thing.
Vespine Geyser exhausted.
Bad news?
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
Of course. Victory is ours.
detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Now let's see what they were so fired up to get their hands on.
Adjutant 23-46 online. System recording. New Gettysburg Defense Initiative. Submit access codes.
Well, I'll be. Confederate adjutant. What intel's so important they'd go and dig her up to recover it?